does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do. Need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even close. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left. I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest. All the bad things I've done and the people I've hurt, wanna take that part of me and leave it in the dirt. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, save?
These drinks are called mto. Those from Western Nyanza, you understand. This is mto. These are managu. After making them, they have reduced. So I'm gonna add some. I've added baking soda inside here so that they can soften faster and still retain the green color. So that is why. My intention is to cook them 8 minutes, 5 minutes. Or maybe when it bubbles up and then I can mix and that is it.
Down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I've been seeking forgiveness, 'cause I know I was wrong. Oh, I'm running out of time, I have to stay strong.
The managu has the green color and it's soft because of the baking soda. I used a pinch of the baking soda behind the spoon. That is the spoon, tablespoon, the behind. So you can see this one is also done. So I'm gonna let them cool down, but I drain the water and transfer them somewhere else. So this is tamarind kombucha. I want to use this to blend the mangoes and the beets into a smoothie. I use the kombucha as my water. When I have kombucha, I honestly use it. I don't use water in smoothies. Sugar, so you don't need to add sugar.
Wonder if you think about me like I think of you. Wonder if you dream the way I do. When you look at clouds, do you see faces as I do? Do you get caught by your own thoughts like I do? Wonder what would happen if I showed these words to you. Wonder if you laugh at my simple poetry. Or even worse, would you look at me with pity in your eyes, saying I'm great and that you would like to be my friend? 'Cause
Tell me one reason you would want to add sugar into your smoothies. Honestly, the beets have sugars, mangoes have sugars. The kombucha, the sugar has been eaten up while brewing, so we have live cultures inside here. So long as I consume it immediately and it doesn't last past 2 days, the culture is still alive. So yeah, you can borrow this recipe and enjoy.
On the wall. Wonder if you think about escaping. Do you like the way the sun is dancing in the fall? Maybe you find some peace of mind, maybe not. If I had courage to address you with my speech, yes, if I was brave enough to ask you, I'd ask you if you'd like to run away somewhere with me, a place where we both don't have to run from ourselves. That my heart just can't ignore, that I've never go there with you. Even I know we're not supposed to be as close as I wanna be. But if you go, I wanna go there with you. Yes, if you go, I wanna go there with you.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold.
I'm gonna use the celery salt that I made recently. If you haven't watched that video, please do watch the previous one. You'll see how I made the celery salt. So this is simply for aromas. Yeah, that's enough. Since I cooked all the foods with salt, I don't need to do much. So that's enough.
When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17.
So it's nicely cooked, and it has gotten all the flavors of the tomatoes and the onions. At this point, I'm not going to garnish the meat because it's going to be taken with cream. Unless it was rice or chapati, I could have garnished it. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Go to the portioning and get some maize milled.
Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents?